Weather has a big impact on people's lives. It affects your commute, it affects how you travel, it affects what you're going to wear today. It affects what you can do on the weekend. Weather can also be dangerous. So it's important for people to have up-to-date weather information so they can plan their life. I'm a research scientist and I lead the team that's developing a new AI model for weather forecasting.
We are in Oslo at the headquarters of the National Weather Service in Norway. We provide a weather app to the public, 14 million unique users per week with weather forecasts going up to 21 days for the whole globe. Modern weather forecasting is very good, particularly for the first 2 or 3 days. But we saw some new scientific papers coming out with amazing results, a potential that could provide us with a big leap in forecast quality. So that's where the AI comes in.
When we started developing this new AI-based weather model, we realized that we need a lot of compute power. So we contacted Sigma 2 and they provide allocations to the Lumi Supercomputer. The atmosphere is quite complex, and if you want to forecast the weather, you have to model how the atmosphere evolves in time, and that requires a lot of calculations. To train these weather models, you need a lot of compute power. You need fast GPUs and fast file systems, and the Lumi Supercomputer built by HP and AMD has been a game changer for us. It's allowed us to build a great weather model that improves the weather forecasts.
The way we build these models is that we have more than 40 years of old forecast data blended with observations. That provides the truth that these models can learn from. We run this weather model every 3 hours as we get new data. The model is trained on Lumi. That's something we wouldn't be able to do if we didn't have the Lumi Supercomputer. We couldn't train this model on the infrastructure that we have in-house. It would take several years. Lumi has enabled us to have a very quick development cycle. Since we can run 128 GPUs in parallel, we can do our experiments in a day or two instead of weeks. We can have a lot of severe weather in Norway, and it's our responsibility that the public is always prepared. The transportation sector is a big user of weather forecasting. We have a lot of ferries that go from Norway to other countries, and they will cancel their sailings if there's very heavy winds. It's the same with oil rigs, with helicopters flying out there. They can't really fly when it's very dangerous conditions. Our objective is to save lives and protect property and infrastructure in Norway. In the end, people have to be able to trust the forecast. And it's up to us to develop the model so that it is trustworthy.